Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to rank videos #1 on YouTube. If you want to rank #1 on YouTube, it's possible for anyone. You just need to know the KV's strategy. This is a simple 3-step blueprint that will help you to rank #1. KV's stands for Keyword, Video, and SEO. Let's dive straight in. First, the K stands for Keyword. Before you think about making your video, you need to know which keyword you want to rank for. The biggest mistake you can make is recording your video and then deciding your keywords when you upload. Instead, you should research keywords to see if you can rank #1 and then create your video. There are 3 key elements. First, it should have low competition. You don't want big channels dominating the search results. Second, it should have a good search volume. You want people to be searching for this keyword regularly. And third, there should be no matching keyword. This means no other video is using the exact keyword phrase as their title, which is crucial for ranking quickly, even with a small channel. Here's how to find keywords like this using vidIQ. The link for vidIQ is provided in the description box below. Start by going to the vidIQ Research tab. Search for a broad keyword related to your niche. For example, if you make videos about editing, you might start with editing. Hit search, but don't focus too much on the results. Instead, click on matching terms. vidIQ will now show you a list of keywords that include your initial keyword. Scroll through this list and find something that interests you. Let's say you find CapCut video editing. Click on it and then click on matching terms again to refine your search. You'll get even more specific keywords like CapCut PC video editing. Once you find a keyword that looks promising, copy it and search for it on YouTube. Make sure you have the vidIQ extension installed. Click the link in the description box to sign up for vidIQ. Now, you'll look at the competition, search volume, and whether anyone is using your exact keyword phrase in their title. If the top-ranking videos aren't from huge channels and are getting a decent number of views per hour, you've found a keyword you can rank for. Now that you've confirmed the competition and search volume are manageable, check if any video is using your exact keyword as its title. If no one is, that's your opportunity. Make your video with that exact keyword in the title and you'll have a high chance of ranking #1. Next, let's talk about the V in KVs, which stands for video. Start by researching the currently ranking videos. Watch them all the way through and read the comments on these videos for feedback that you can implement in your video. If you make a better video based on the feedback from viewers, you'll have a strong chance of outranking the current top videos. Finally, the S stands for SEO. First, ensure your exact keyword makes up the majority of your title. For example, if you're targeting CapCut PC video editing, your title might be CapCut PC video editing tutorial. You can add something like step-by-step or the year to make the title more enticing and relevant. Next, work on your video description. You can open the description generator right in your title, and it will instantly create a 2-3 sentence description packed with SEO keywords. Add tags to your video. Although tags aren't as important as they once were, it doesn't hurt to use them. You can use the YouTube tag generator in vidIQ. Type in a similar phrase and the tool will generate relevant tags. Lastly, your thumbnail is also crucial. It needs to be better than the competition's. Look at the thumbnails of the top-ranking videos for your keyword and make sure yours stands out while still being clear and clickable. That's how you can increase your ranking using vidIQ. You can check vidIQ using the link in the description below.